Right now, we're seeing an unusual uptick in sports sentiment, with a score of plus 0.16 and a momentum of plus 0.76 over the last 24 hours. This spike is notable because it's significantly above our historical baseline, suggesting a surge in positive engagement around recent events or discussions. Our API returns real-time sentiment scores, momentum indicators, and semantic clusters to give you a comprehensive view of how fans are feeling. Imagine building a tool that automatically adjusts marketing strategies based on this sentiment. For instance, if your analytics show a rise in positive sentiment around a team's recent victory, you could deploy targeted promotions or content to capitalize on that momentum. Dive deeper into our API at pulsebit.logenterprise.com/docs. Your next big insight is just a call away.